saying the romance in relationships cannot always be justified with the physicality of it. It is also felt, and the love he feels by the end of the film, which obviously in the interview we can't justify, but there's a moment where anybody who sees the film will feel the love.
If I like you, I will not say, oh, I love you so much and hug you. No. कि शर्म आती कि नहीं, वो तो सिर्फ बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड ही होता है.
We've always been so busy with our lives, doing different things, but over the last 1 year and now as well, you want to reach out, you want to be together, you want to acknowledge, a lot of things to do with family.
There is no love which can cross continents, and there is no love which knows boundaries. But there ain't no love which is between a grandson and a grandmother. And this time they're legit taking over the countries. Welcome, Sardar Ka grandson and the cast. We have Neena Gupta, Arjun Kapoor, Rakul Preet, and the director Kashmir Nair. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I have to start with you, Neena ji. I thankfully saw the film last night, and I think the first thing which stayed with me are 90s maybe. What is that energy? That bottle which you're carrying, I have to steal that from your wheelchair. I mean, that was the most cutest thing. I could see the most colorful wheelchair and the most colorful bottle I could see. I need to know about your character from you, because you playing a 90-year-old character in itself. So I'll start with you.
Yeah, it was a very challenging role for me. I think the most challenging part I have ever done, physically and otherwise also. I had gone through a lot of experiments on me for my prosthetics, and it was quite a tough thing. Finally, even the first day when we started shoot, we changed. I mean, he put it and then we changed it again. So it was quite a thing. And then, gosh, I used to think, why, gosh, because my head is covered with the thin dupatta and all. Why is he saying put two clips, one pink clip and one blue clip here? Then she used to say, "Acha, ek bada ring." So I gave my my dad and my mom's ring to them, the real one, and then they made it. They copied it. उसमें एक साइड माँ का नाम है और फिर ऐसे करो तो पापा का नाम. As yeah, like that. So Kashmir did a lot of detailing. I used to think kya dikhega, nahi dikhega, but I realized that this detailing helps you perform also, helps you to get into character also. Like my socks, like little things. Like you said, the wheelchair, it was amazing. So everything added and helped me to get into my character. I didn't have to do anything. And I just did it. Now I don't know what I have done. Let's see what people say.
Arjun and Rakul, while your gently love story did definitely tug my heartstrings, but I'll start with you, Arjun, first. I mean, this is the kind of love story, if you call it to me. I found it love story by all means. It was heartwarming from the moment go. You just showed that, oh God, you can actually move the world literally for your grandmom. How was it for you?
Well, that's exactly what it was. You as an actor look for those kind of roles where you can target people's heartstrings. When you choose scripts, you also wanted to appeal to the emotional side, not only just being um, the slow motion में entry करने वाला action hero and dialogue one liner देने वाला. This is also an aspect of being an artist or storyteller that you crave. And when this script came to me, when Kashfi narrated it to me, it hit so close to home because I'm so close to my own grandparents and I could see a reflection of them. And it felt like a fairy tale. I think that's what appealed to me. कि यार ये मैं अगर कहानी, if I narrated this to you, if I was in another interview, I said I'm doing a film about this, you would be like, "Arey, ye kaise ho sakta hai?" And that is the beauty of this film. It is so believable the way she's made it as a director and the way it's written. It's an unbelievable film that is so believably told with real characters. And I think I like that balance. it's got that fairy tale quality, but it's still such a grounded, real film. Like Amrik is a boy you can meet. Sardar is a grandmother you have seen. Radha is a girl working today in your office. You could meet Radha. So these are characters who are real, and yet the story is so gigantic and cinematic in nature. So I was attracted to playing Amrik for that reason.
Rakul, what was your Radha for you when you sketched Radha? Because I found her pretty much level-headed. I think the only level-headed person in this entire Magpie family. I mean, everyone else was busy, not admitting to what they were doing.
I think
Yeah.
I think that
पूरा
comes
टब्बर
through
हिला
the
हुआ
last.
that line ना पूरा टब्बर
Pura
हिला हुआ
टब्बर.
is the right
I agree. I'm a Punjabi. I'll say pura tambar. Line say.
Yeah, so I think that comes through very beautifully in the last scene where everyone is talking and Radha goes like, okay, can the volume be a little low? But yes, Radha is very level-headed and she's a perfectionist, and she likes to do things very properly. She's got her OCD of things being a certain way, and I connect a lot with Radha because to some extent I am also a little particular about certain things, and I think Kashi would agree to that. And I think for me, Ankita, the most attractive thing about the script was the fact that it emotionally touches you. My own grandfather, I've been saying it in all the interviews, but my own grandfather, both my parents' side were from Pakistan before partition, and my dad's dad, particularly, always wanted to go back because he was, still about 12, 13 years old. Others were very young when they came, but so he had very fond memories, and he would always say that I want to go and visit, and we could never take him because dad was in the army, and that wasn't possible. So somewhere and we lost him a year and a half back. So somewhere when the moment I heard the script, there was a thud in my heart, and I was like, Dadu always wanted to go, and we actually made the effort. Also, we tried once or twice, but it was not feasible. But that was one reason where I said, I have to be a part of a script which will probably touch so many people, and at least give them that insight into what that world would be, or just a feel good film.
Kashri, this is for you. From Champion Haveli to Chhattis Kabutar Wali Gali, how did you find your story? Because honestly, when I started, I never thought this could happen. And I swear to God, I did Google that this process is legit. And what I'm seeing on screen, I wish it could have happened to so many grandparents. I had my grandparents who had the same desire. Luckily, it did get fulfilled. But there are no others also who couldn't get that chance. How did you get this on?
So, like you said, we Googled the same way. We actually came across an article that spoke about a house being shifted, but it was broken down brick by brick and rebuilt again. And we were Googling it, and we came across structural relocation. So every time I used to try and say the one line also to everybody, after I finished, they used to just have a stunned expression on their face, and I would turn around and say, no, it's a legit process. You can Google it. So yeah, coming from there,
I don't know. I never asked you that. I just believed what you said.
Yeah,
But
you just
I
believed
think
that.
I believe that ऐसा होता होगा. I don't know. I was
But
afraid.
I had read some temples being moved.
Yeah.
In south of India, there's some temple which was moved like that. So I knew that the structural relocation
Yeah,
happened.
as you said, temples were fine, but all the way from Pakistan to India, I'm like, I have to ask Kashri, from where does she even get that idea? That was as wide as it gets.
And then, like you said, everybody's grandparents have this one, wish. Like my grandfather, though it was not partition, he still wanted to go back to his house in Jamnagar. And we took him there, and that emotion that they feel when they go through that entire journey of going back, I think that's something that was really important to try to put in on paper and into a film. So taking these two things, we created this little story. And we realized that the more emotional and the more real in a way we make it, whether it's the characters or the situation and the setting. I mean, the idea may be out of the world, but the emotion is still the same emotion that's running through everybody. So that's how we successfully, I think, tried to get people convinced about the fact that this can happen.
Neena and Arjun, I have to give one thing to you. Yeah, Punjabi bahut achhi thi. It is coming from someone who's a Punjabi. I mean, your Bada, Neena ji, that particular word, I think me and my mother laughed so much. I happened to show it to her last night. And I think after a long, long time, we saw something together. She's like, मुझे नहीं पता था पंजाबी है वो. मैंने कहा I'll check with मैंने कहा Arjun, I still have heard something of it in the past, but with Neena ji I'm going to check. That
I-
by the words is something which stuck with me.
नहीं, वो तो हमारा डायलॉग राइटर हमको काफी सिखाता भी रहता था, क्योंकि ये पंजाबी भी जो दिल्ली में पंजाबी बोलते हैं उससे फर्क थोड़ा था.
फर्क है. अमृतसरी पंजाबी is different.
हाँ, so but I'm half Punjabi. My mother was a Punjabi, and उसके अलावा भी I am from Delhi. I have studied in Delhi, college, school सब. तो all my friends were Punjabi. So उनके घर में पंजाबी बोलते थे. So Punjabi is like no, nothing new. So that was not a problem.
But Arjun, yours was also pretty good. Whenever I had seen your lines, I'm like, "Arey, well, this is so Arjun Kapoor." Like I could just say that.
अच्छा, एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज होती है, घर बोलना पंजाबी में है कार. तो
कार.
ये कार बड़ी मुश्किल से आता है. तो हम एक वो आपस में करते थे, मैं कभी किसी को तंग करना हो तो हम ये करते थे, कोड़ा घोड़ा का खा के कार टुर गया. घोड़ा घा खा के कार टुर गया.
कार टुर गया.
So,
मेरी पंजाबी तो
क्या?
राकुल लिखवाल. अच्छा, मेरी पंजाबी तो दूर दूर तक ऐसी नहीं.
I remember my parents used to say, जब हम बचपन में पंजाबी में बात करो कार होता है. It's not car, you know, we used to say car. Yeah, so I'm going to take this line from you, Neena ji. ये लोगों को टेस्ट करने के लिए पंजाबी आते हैं.
कार टुर गया.
As long as you don't test it on me, I'm fine.
तो पंजाबी का ऐसा है यार कि I've realized I'm surrounded by them, so it becomes very easy for me as an actor to accommodate whatever little bit I understand and can do. मेरी पंजाबी बोलने की हैसियत रकुल और नीना मैम जितनी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, बट मैं बच के निकल जाता हूँ, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं माय ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स स्पोक पंजाबी. एक्चुअली माय दादी दादू ऑलवेज स्पोक पंजाबी टू ईच अदर. दे रोमांस्ड इन पंजाबी आल्सो, यू नो. दे वर लाइक, एंड आई वाज कॉल्ड खोता, और क्या होता. She used to call my dadi Lali.
Chadai.
My daddy used to be called Lali. He used to call her Lali Ithya. You know, so I've grown up hearing enough Punjabi to understand it. My dad speaks well. फिल्मों में यार जो लिखा जाता है वो तो हो जाता है करते करते, you know, वो उतनी help मिल जाती है. When somebody like Neena ma'am is talking to you in that, or you have Rakul, you have enough banter going around, whether it's you have Punjabi, इतना वो कहीं ना कहीं help हो जाती है. पर मेरी पंजाबी इतनी अच्छी, I have to confess, बिल्कुल नहीं है कि मैं naturally बोल सकता हूँ. मुझे थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ता है. और मैंने डब में कुछ चीजें थोड़ी ऐड की थी. Finally, when we got to dubbing, ना, I added fine-tuned it slightly also.
And me being the most Punjabi out of all three of us is playing a South Indian, A Radha.
Yeah.
I was coming to that. मतलब तो you just were late. रकुल, ये ऐसा कैसे हो गया?
Kashvi, ask Kashvi. I was like, अरे A Radha.
उसके नाम में ही पंजाब है. रकुल ते प्रीत ते सिंह.
It can't get more Punjabi than this.
हाँ, मतलब इससे ज्यादा it's like a cliche Punjabi, you know, you want to introduce a character. Oh, Rakul Preet.
Exactly, and I hate that. You know, can I please tell you, I hate it. I'm like, please call me Rakul. That's it.
Kashvi and Arjun, before we move to थोड़े heavyweight questions, who got the Mr. India reference? Please tell me. I think in the entire film, that was one thing I kept a track of. Mr. India was another character.
It was written in, if I remember correctly, it was written from the draft I heard only.
Yes, it was the dialogue writer who managed to put in that little bit right there.
Yeah, because everyone knows that how much obsessed Arjun is with Anand sir. So I thought I'll ask if it's Arjun's last minute Mr. India reference.
नहीं, मैंने इस फिल्म में थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रोव जरूर किया. I've improvised and hopefully people will smile and laugh at the silliness and the goofiness. But ये तो this is such an important part of the film. ये तो पहले से लिखा हुआ था. And honestly, you know, I didn't think of it like such an underlined gag. But when I saw the film, in the diplomatic red tape or the bureaucracy of the two countries, that Mr. India works really well because बहुत subtle humor में आप बात समझ जाते.
Yeah, I think it was as cheekily you could say it.
Yeah. It was very, I think very nicely done, yeah, from Amitosh and Kashvi.
But this is for all you guys. I think the one takeaway which came for at least me, because I watched it with family. By the end of it, I could sit down with my mother, and yes, she did say to me that while my father's mother could go and go to Lahore and see the place, my nana nani couldn't, and she's like, that's one regret I'll also have. This is I think after a long time in a Netflix film, we were in tears. That was not something expected because it really touched a chord. Did you guys
I have
even thought that?
goosebumps.
Did you guys even think by the time, like now, at least people will be saying by the time this interview is out, that you're touching so many hearts, and not just from this generation. You're actually tying a couple of families together who really were in this tough grief together, who just couldn't do it for their grandparents.
The इंटेंट तो वही था ना, जब साइन करता है ऐसी फिल्म तो एक इंटेंट होता है. आई थिंक एक ऑनेस्टी और सिंसेरिटी तो थी कि make something that is real enough that it pulls the heartstrings. Obviously, when we started making the film, we didn't even know the pandemic was around the corner, and it just seems so much more relevant now. But when you do a film like this, you always want it to emotionally connect and resonate with people of all age groups. And for me, the kind of love I experienced with the Two States and Key and Kai, I realized that people remember films like those for years to come. So I definitely wanted to appeal, and I've been so close to my grandparents, and मैं बचपन से उनके साथ पला बड़ा हूँ joint family में. और हिंदुस्तान में एक परंपरा है, we really regard our joint family system and our grandparents, and there's a certain partner in crime mischief making that exists with grandchildren, grandparents. कोई ऐसी फिल्म आई नहीं थी. तो ये तो नहीं पता था रोएंगे, बस इतना पता था कि कम से कम दिल को छू तो लेंगे. अब वो कभी आज के टाइम पे मुझे लगता है, लाइक माय सिस्टर सॉ द फिल्म यस्टरडे, शी सेड आई क्राइड इवन आफ्टर द रोलिंग टाइटल. आई थिंक इट इज थेरेप्यूटिक एंड cathartic sometimes to cry. There is so much within you that comes out of film, can sometimes subconsciously bring out a lot of emotion. So if your mom liked it, if she remembered good images, good memories, it reminds you of a better time. There are so many emotions that can make you as an actor feel happy. चल यार, लोगों को हंसा दिया, रुला दिया, इमोशन दे दिया ना, तो अच्छा लगता है. So I guess that was the intent to do the film.
Nina, Kashmir, could anyone of you?
Yeah, I guess like Arjun's covered most of it. The intent initially, like I said, that when you hear the script, I felt that it's such a feel-good film. It emotionally touches you, and that was the whole idea, to bring a smile on people's faces, Ankita. And I think it's just happened that it's coming out in a time like this where you understand, where you realize the importance of family so much more. We've always been so busy with our lives, doing different things, but over the last 1 year and now as well, you want to reach out, you want to be together, you want to acknowledge a lot of things to do with family. And I think the film comes at the right time where you can watch together and feel good about it. So I think that was the intent from day one, that if we can bring a smile to even a few families, our job's done. So yeah.
Meera, ma'am, I'll ask this to you. Normally, when we have a theme, even the underlying theme, when we talk about India, Pakistan in the same breath, we often tend to go overboard, be it in, hate or any other emotion. But it was after a long time, genuinely long time. There was love which was on calling, there was humanity which was on calling, and there was that sense of attachment which many of us maybe would have left behind and they wanted to go back to and maybe experience it in some way. Because you have worked amongst all of these for the longest time. I'll take your take on that one.
My experience, I went to Lahore in the International Art Festival. I did a play which was a Shuddh Hindi play. Shuddh mane Shuddh. It was called Surya ki Antim Kiran se Surya ki Pehli Kiran tak, which was houseful. I went to America. The Pakistani taxi guy will not take money. So we all keep hearing things. So, and also in this film, we have not touched that thing at all. That political drama. Yeah. In this film, I was just thinking while you were talking, हम लोग ना लव हमेशा वो सेक्स वाला लव सोचते हैं ना, आदमी औरत वाला, है ना, opposite sex वाला. But there are so many other things also. And we are very shy to call it love. Like, if I like you, I will not say, oh, I love you so much and hug you. No. कि शर्म आती कि नहीं, वो तो सिर्फ बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड ही होता है. I feel in this film, it's a love story between Sardar and grandson, basically.
Yeah.
And why not? And why not? I mean, I remember pehle when I was younger, we used to be so shy to pronounce the word love. Okay. And now I'm getting rid of that thing. It was here. Like when I got my award for Badayu, अब उसके बाद से जब भी I will tell my director Amit Sharma, I love you, love you, love you, love you. I say to so many people, I love you. So now that thing is broken, So I think ये मैं कहीं और चली गई हूँ, पर ये मुझे कहने का बड़ा मन था कि ये सरदार और ग्रैंडसन की लव स्टोरी है, और ऐसी लव स्टोरी कभी बनी नहीं.
But adding to what you're saying, if I may, Neena ma'am, actually आप वही कह रहे हो कि लोग तो आपस में प्यार ही रखते हैं. अगर हमारी फिल्म का भी अगर आप एंड देखो, तो वो एक सिचुएशन आती है where I turn around to Pramod sir and say a very important line which I love in the film. I say, आप चाहे जैसे भी हो, आपके मुल्क के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Correct. It's one of my favorite lines.
Every part of every country, every city, every place, every state has 99% तो लोग अच्छे ही होते हैं. कुछ एकाध कभी-कभी कुछ नोक-झोंक हो जाती है, प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, but eventually overall the perspective is always, it doesn't matter what the world creates. Eventually when you connect with somebody, it's like saying यार मुझे अंकिता तेरे साथ इंटरव्यू करके बड़ा मजा आया, मैंने तो सुना था तू ऐसी है तो वैसी. Eventually that is what it is. You hear so much, but in essence that boy's experience over there overwhelms him and compels him to realize that is a different kind of love. So Neena ma'am jo keh rahi, actually love transcends relationships, and this film is an example of that. The boy's love for Radha, he cannot justify. वो नहीं कर पाता, झगड़ा कर देता, ईगो में आ जाता है. लेकिन अनकंडीशनल लव उधर भी है, पर वो चाहता है कि वो समझे उसको, वो कैसा है, बिकॉज उसमें इतना प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट किया लाइफ में, ही इज रन अवे फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. एंड यहाँ पे उसका अनकंडीशनल लव अपने सरदार के लिए इतना है कि बोलता है यार मैं उठ पटांग चीज करूंगा, पर इतना लव है कि उनका दिल नहीं तोड़ना चाहता. तो बाप को कहता है यार थोड़ा इंतजार कर लो, पहले मैं तो समझ लूं मैं कर सकता हूं या नहीं. तो लव की डिफरेंट पहलू, लाइक शी सेइंग, द रोमांस इन रिलेशनशिप्स कैन नॉट ऑलवेज बी जस्टिफाइड विद द फिजिकलिटी ऑफ इट. इट इज ऑल्सो felt, and the love he feels by the end of the film, which obviously in the interview we can't justify, but there's a moment where anybody who sees the film will feel the love.
Yeah.
The cross border love, if we call it, you can feel it in that one moment, and I think that's the nice part about the writing and the direction, ki us ek pal mein you ended, the border doesn't exist, that boundary goes out of the window.
Like Kashmir, I have to give it to you. There was this scene in the film, very brief, between Arjun and Khan Chacha and the Khan Bakery. That one snapshot, it stayed with me. I mean, there were like so many people out there who must have missed, going back to the border and seeing that, yes, their kind of memory still there. That was very, very beautiful. Because I remember my mother actually commenting that I wish someone could show Nani ko unka purana ghar like this, even just in a picture, that what it means. That was
Amitosh ka, I think, favorite scene in picture mein. I think the writer of the film, Amitosh, I think he loves that the most. I think, if I remember, Kashvi, he was very upset about how quickly we shot it.
How quickly it went away.
No, trust me,
it's
it
true.
stayed.
In today's day and age, we can manage to do it. So that's what we tried to. I mean, here he's being this crazy person who's taking this house across, but at the end of the day, I think that's also something that really stirs Amrik at that point, because it's that with seeing this photograph, this man has got so involved and so attached and has all these emotions. Imagine what my grandmother would have felt like if she saw this entire house. So I think that kind of encapsulates the film.
But ending on a fun note, I have to ask, how did you manage to get this crazy cast on board? Because starting from Tony Radha to Kamal Singh, oh my God, I mean, that is a proper Punjabi household. You're comparing your kids to Einstein, for heaven's sake, because you think they are the most genius species born on the planet. I mean, the opening scene when Arjun comes back to Amritsar and into his house, the number of people which came out, I was like, this is the ghar. So इतने सारे लोग आपको सिर्फ ऐसे पंजाब में एक ही घर में मिल सकते हैं from everywhere. But I have to give it to you, the ensemble cast was equally good, and it was hilarious detailing on them also.
Thank you. But yes, all credit goes to Kavish, our casting director. And all credit goes to our script, which I think you send out the one line and everybody was like, yeah, we'll do this film. Like Sony ma'am it was written for Sony ma'am. I've written it with her in my mind. So, all these characters I really think it's a script that brought everybody together and put everybody's mind into the film as well, and their heart as well. So yeah, I think everything came together well.
But Neena ma'am, before I wrap, I please have to say this. You don't mind. आपने वसीयत में नाम किसका लिखा ना, मेरे को ना वो एक अलग से सीट चाहिए था जहाँ पे you would have said that. Because oh my god, that line my daddy used to say, मैं कुछ नहीं देना थानू, मैं कुछ नहीं देना थानू.
Yeah. I thought you should love it. There is a scene where I'm sitting, all the servants are.
Yeah.
Staff is sitting. I तो love it. That line I used to love. कि हाँ, जो मेरी सेवा करेगा, करो मेरी सेवा. शायद लिख दूँ. I used to love that. It's amazing what they have written.
Arjun, as Amrik, tell me just one last thing. थोड़ा ऐसा पेन नहीं हुआ कि चैंपियन साइकिल नहीं मिला, क्योंकि वसीयत में मिलना चाहिए था, तुम घर नहीं आए.
नहीं, मैं सच कहूँ तो अमरीक would have dismantled the cycles and made a mess out of it. So it is better it was being run without us.
Yeah, that
He was not cut out.
Radha would be like gently, mentally putting
हाँ,
them.
Absolutely,
वो better
gently,
ही था.
mentally.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. वो वॉइस ओवर में मैं एक्चुअली काशवी से जब मैं दे रहा था, फाइनली मैं इतना लड़ रहा था, मैं बोला यार ऐसे लग रहा है कि अमरीक ने इतना सब किया था और फिर चैंपियन साइकिल भी नहीं मिली उसे, वापस अमेरिका चले गया और 2 बच्चे पैदा हो गए. मतलब ये तो बड़ा ही रिलैक्स माहौल में वापस चले गया, लड़ झगड़ के आया था घर लेके. But then I realized that is what Amrik was meant to do. He was never meant to be the champion cycle ka CEO. He was just, the whole point of his life and existence was to make sure that Sardar can live a few more years.
But thank you guys, because I don't know theaters or not, but for this pandemic, for this, you made us cry and smile and laugh for good 2 hours. And I can say it, I loved it because my mother.
बस तो blockbuster है फिर पिक्चर यार हमारे लिए, और कुछ नहीं थी. This is exactly what the ambition.
Thank you, Ankita. You have no idea how happy you've made us.
You have no idea. As I just keep on repeating, you can't see few things with your mother. My Sunday night was sorted, man. I have to give it to you. That was the best thing. Which
I think that should be the review. I think that should be the log line of every review. Ki come together and sit with your family and watch a film for once at home.
Exactly. Because you will find your character in the film. I could find my relatable character. Everyone could find their relatable character for sure. So thank you, Kashvi, Arjun, Neena ma'am, and Rakul.
Thank you so much for enjoying our film.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Stay safe. Bye.